Hi there, students. To contrive, a verb. Contrived as an adjective, or a contrivance as a noun. Okay, to contrive means to invent a solution, especially using improvisation. To make something to do a job, improvising, being clever and skillful. He contrived a rope to climb up the wall by using climbing plants. He contrived different ways of keeping the children amused. He contrived a weapon by cutting a branch from a tree. You can also use contrive with plans. To contrive a plan, to invent a way to do something. He contrived a way to leave the house unnoticed. He contrived an excuse for being late. He invented it. He made it up, looking at the circumstances. So to contrive, to form plans and schemes. Okay, we can also use it meaning to manage to do something, especially by using a trick. He contrived to sell his car by polishing it and making it look good, even though the engine was in a terrible state. He looked for a way to contrive to talk to the beautiful girl. So with contrive, I think the key is improvisation, using what is at hand, to find a way using ingenuity, being inventive, and using things in an unusual way. The opposition party managed to contrive a political crisis for the government. He contrived a solution to the problem. He didn't have any furniture and he didn't have any money, so he contrived some furniture using old pallets. So to contrive, to make an object or a solution or a plan using skill, trickery, improvisation, intelligence, the things that are to hand, okay? To contrive, to put together. We could also say the plot to this film was a bit contrived. It wasn't very credible. It was just put together and improvised. A contrivance, a contraption, a thing to do something. He invented a contrivance to unlock the door. Okay, now, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this 6.5 in formality. I think maybe in an informal conversation, to invent a way, to invent a solution, yeah. But contrive, something in a semi-formal or very formal situation, definitely use it. Notice as well, to contrive is a regular verb. He contrived a solution. He has contrived various ways of resolving this problem. Now, what about origin? Well, it comes to us from French, contrive, which means to imagine, to invent. Con, with, and trouver, to find. That itself comes from Latin, contrapare, to compare. Com, with tropus, meaning style or manner. Okay? So, to contrive, to invent a solution, to improvise a tool, to work out a way of doing something with the things available. So there you go, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Contrive.